Hey there, thanks for joining me. Today, I want to talk about something that truly impacts every part of our lives, having a proper diet. Now, I know we all hear about eating healthy all the time, but what does that actually mean? And why is it so important? Let's break it down together. A proper diet isn't just about losing weight or looking a certain way. It's really about fueling our bodies so we feel our best, inside and out. For me, building my meals around fresh fruits, colorful veggies, whole grains, lean proteins, and a little bit of healthy fat makes a huge difference. And honestly, it's not about being perfect. It's about making small, smart choices that add up over time. One thing I love is experimenting with seasonal produce and fun spices. It keeps my meals interesting and boosts the nutrients I get. I try to steer clear of super processed foods when I can, since they tend to be high in sugar, salt, or unhealthy fats. Trust me, your energy levels will thank you. Of course, food and exercise go hand in hand. When I eat well, I feel so much more motivated to move, and my workouts are way more effective. Skipping out on good nutrition can make me feel sluggish or tired, and nobody wants that. And don't forget to drink enough water. Hydration is key. But it's not just physical. What I eat actually affects my mood and focus too. I've noticed that too much sugar or junk food can make me feel anxious or down, while whole foods help me stay sharp and happy. So if you're ever feeling off, maybe take a look at what's on your plate. I also pay attention to my body. If certain foods don't sit right, like dairy or gluten for some people, it's totally okay to make adjustments. Listening to what your body needs is such an important part of a healthy diet. At the end of the day, it's about balance and enjoying the process. Sharing meals with friends, trying new recipes, and finding what works for you can make healthy eating something you actually look forward to. So, what's your favorite healthy meal? Let's chat in the comments. And if you liked this video, hit subscribe for more tips and food inspiration. Thanks for hanging out with me today.